Alright guys, so quick update on the aquaponics system. As you can see, we've got a lot of our plants in. We've got some strawberries over here, basil, mint. Strawberries are blooming pretty good. These are butter beans that I planted back here. You can see the brown here. Basically, I've seen some people when they plant seeds directly in aquaponics, where they'll take like a wet piece of tissue or paper towel and put the seed in that and then put it in the rock. So I tried that. I don't recommend doing that, because basically what happened, the paper towel pretty much sealed the seed in and almost caused it to rot. In fact, I did lose probably a third of the ones I planted. Didn't come up, and some of the ones that did come up are kind of looking a little rough, so I'm not even sure if they're going to make it or not. So I don't recommend doing that. I recommend just plant the seeds directly under the rocks, like right here. See, there's a green bean seed right there that I planted it directly into the rock, about a ½ inch deep. And as you can see, it's already trying to take root. So you can plant your seeds directly into the media without doing anything else to them. Like I got some greens here, and basically I just scattered these into the rock. Just sprinkled them out, rubbed my hand over the rocks to kind of get them down, about a ½ inch in. And that's how those came up. All these were just same way. This is the lettuce, same way, just scattered them into the rock, rubbed them in. Back here we got cucumbers. Now I planted those directly into the rock as well. We got carrots down here, done the same way. Sprinkled them out, rubbed them in. There's a marigold plant. Here's our tomato from the other video that we planted. You can see it's doing really well. It's already getting some blooms on it. This one's getting some blooms. The peppers are starting to bloom as well. So there you go. As you can see, you can direct plants straight into the media. You don't necessarily have to transplant from a potted plant. Obviously, like I bought these from the store. They were already started in a greenhouse somewhere, but those were transplanted straight in. But this was all started straight from seed, straight in the bed. So you can definitely do that without a problem. Real quick update on my solid separator here that I've done. I'm not sure if you can see down in there or not, but basically originally, I've got the holes drilled in the top bucket. It's really kind of hard to see. There you go. You can see the holes there. So originally the pipe stopped above those holes. And what was happening was basically all my solids was getting trapped above the holes, above the filter basically. So what I've done is I've drilled a hole directly beneath this pipe. So this pipe actually goes all the way through, and it breaches the bottom of this top bucket and goes down into the bottom part. So basically any solids go down here in the very bottom and they can't come back up. So it's basically opposite of what I was trying to do to start with. So the solids get trapped beneath and they can't come up through the little holes, which ends up keeping the water pretty clear at the top. I don't have any debris that gets into my drain and then ends up into my bed that I have to deal with later. One other thing also in the bed, I did put some earthworms in here, so that should help break down any material in there that might get in there. And so far those are doing pretty well with that. But that's just a quick update on the filter, basically showing you what I've done to enhance it, to make it work better. And so that works pretty well doing it that way. So that's the way I recommend doing it if you're going to use something like this. Run the pipe all the way through the top bucket down to the very bottom. Let the solids get trapped here, and we can still drain at the bottom there, dump it into a pail, take it over, put it in the potatoes, or some of the other gardens over there. So anyway, there's the quick update on that.